Welcome guys, Saurav Tiwari again. So for today's session, what we're going to talk about, we are going to talk about a modern day technique because see, nowadays the environment is so, the topology is so dynamic and there's no static things nowadays. So we have to come up with new solutions, new ideas every day, every second. Because competition is so high, we have to develop ways where we can talk about and work on different techniques to come out with a different solutions. So for this, I'm going to have a session on a very important technique that is called creative thinking. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the objectives of the session. First is myth related to creative thinking, very important because a lot of people not able to understand what is creative thinking. They relate creative thinking to a very particular concept, but we are going to burst that myth. Okay. Second is understanding definition of creative thinking. Third is why go out of the box. You must have heard this statement, out of the box. A lot of people say go out of the box and think and all that. We are going to tell you, I'm going to tell you that how we can go out of the box, right? More myths related to critical thinking. There are a lot of myths, right? There are a lot of myths related to creative thinking. We are going to talk about all those myths, more myths rather than that. How to practically develop creative thinking. Some tips that you have to inculcate in your thinking process, in your thinking methodology. How can you change the way you think and move more, think more creatively, right? Okay, so first of all, we'll talk about the myth related to creative thinking. I've heard from a lot of people that most of the people like who don't know, they're not, they know that modern, thinking process. They think creative thinking is only related to, generally associated with painting, dance, drama, etc. Because I think creativity only involves these activities or these traits. But my friend, I tell you that but creative thinking is fundamental human skill. It's being in the history also, and it will be in the future also, will be a journal fundamental human skill. It is not just related to these activities. It's a fundamental human skill which is the key to success to any domain. As you can see, I have mentioned a lot of domains. I'll repeat for you also. Solving problems, sales, strategy, marketing, growth, communication, recruitment, motivation, employee satisfaction, public relation, business model, automation, customer experience, new technology, robotics, design, advertising, e-commerce, efficiency, finance, gamification, etc., etc. Also, customer engagement and social media. We are a lot into social media, so obviously creativity comes everywhere. Creative thinking skills come everywhere. We have to come up with some more solutions. Think out of the box. Okay, so let's talk about the journal definition of creative thinking, that what actually it means. Understanding definition of creative thinking. Creative thinking means looking at something in a new way. Looking at something in a very new way and a new perspective. To understand what is perspective, it is basically we have to look at different patterns that we work in, because we think that there is only one solution to this pattern. There's only one solution to this problem. There's only one solution to this project. There's only one solution to this idea. But no, we have to think in different perspectives, in a whole new dimension that we have to think. Don't think that new dimension, new perspective is a very hard thing. Obviously, being creative is not a very easy thing to do. But if you think in that way, if you don't have a closed mind, if you're not like this, if you're like open in all direction, you will be able to work on that. It is a very definition of thinking out of the box. Your teachers, your bosses, your creative heads, your brand manager, your sales manager, they say Get to the solution, think out of the box, go out of the box and think for a solution. What they're trying to say, that there is a solution, there was a solution, but now the situation is changing and you have to think that ways. Now, because of the customer experience, the customer demands, the client demands, the topography, the geography is, everything is changing. Like it is more, become more dimensions are being, evolving out of those. So we also have to evolve. Our thinking have to evolve. Our methodology have to evolve. So for this, out of the box, a new dimension, a new perspective is the way to move towards a better solution to it, right? We talk about lateral thinking. If you have heard of what is lateral thinking, creative thinking is another word of lateral thinking, which it means that ability to perceive patterns that are not obvious in nature. See, when we are given a project, we have a project in our hand, but what generally happens, that we think in a very particular way. We are bound by those processes. We are bound by the way we take up the project. So, but nowadays, if you talk about creative thinking, lateral thinking, you have to come up with you have to perceive the problem into new patterns. You have to look into new patterns and that are not obvious in nature. हमें वो दिखेंगे नहीं, will not be able to see them, will not be able to perceive them, but they are there. But in order to do that, you have to perceive patterns that are not obvious. You have to think that way. You have to look at the problem in a different point of view. Okay. So out of the box, very general term which everybody use. You must have heard also that why we should think out of the box, go out of the box, think out of the box. So what is this out of the box? See, when we are in the box, when we are working on a project and we are very comfortable, we are very relaxed mode, that ये तो होता आ रहा है और यही होता आएगा, and I am going to do this in this particular way. So inside the box we feel very safe, we agree to everybody and we feel comfortable. We tend to follow a process. Process is there, it has been following for the last number of years, and you also try to follow that because you are very comfortable, because you are agreeing to your bosses, you are agreeing to your colleagues, you are agreeing to your team members that okay, you have been doing this process, I will also do this process, because you feel very comfortable. But when we go out of the box, it hurts our ego, reputation, comfort zone. Very important term. Why we need to go out of the comfort zone nowadays? See, comfort zone is something that you are very comfortable with. I am going to go to the office, work on this process and get the job done. But innovation happens when you get out of the comfort zone. जो तुमने पहले कभी किया ही नहीं हो, अपने आप को push करना. And I tell you guys that एक दिन में अगर एक बार प्रैक्टिस करोगे अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जाने का, अपने आप माइंड जो है वो और ज्यादा क्रिएटिव होने लगता है. सी माइंड हैव अ टेंडेंसी, उसने अपनी आदत बना ली है कि मैं इस प्रोसेस को फॉलो करूंगा, सुबह उठूंगा, ये करूंगा, उसके बाद, बिकॉज you must have heard also that we are using only 0.5% or 0.2% of our brain, but we can increase it. And how can we increase it? By getting out of the comfort zone. हमें और ज़्यादा सीखने की ज़रूरत है. Keep on learning, keep on improving your learning pedagogy, learning curve को हमेशा बढ़ाते रहो. अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलो. Okay, this example will, from this example, I'll try to make you understand कि creative thinking होती क्या है. हमने सुना तो है, मैंने बताया भी तुम्हें. हो सकता है बहुत लोगों को समझ ही में नहीं आया कि creative thinking, what is this creative thinking? From this example, you will be able to know that actually में होता क्या है. तो these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. These are 9 dots, okay, and read the instructions very carefully. Link all the dots using 4 straight lines. or fewer, without lifting the pen and without tracing the same line more than twice. Are you guys ready with your pen and notebook? Draw the 9 dots and follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. I can give you like 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 2 more seconds. 1, 2. Okay, stop. So the possible solutions which 60 to 70 people come up with is this. By following the instructions. Look at what they're doing. You have to understand what they are trying to do here is. They are following the instructions. What is written. ठीक है. अब इसका जो करेक्ट सोल्यूशन है, इसका सोल्यूशन जो है वो मेरे को किसी ने बोला कि ओके, इसका सोल्यूशन एक और भी हो सकता है. द राइट सोल्यूशन कैन बी, मेरे को स्टूडेंट ने बोला ओके 4 लाइन्स यूज करना है, आई विल यूज 4 लाइन्स. ठीक है. तो दैट स्टूडेंट केम आउट विद अ नेक्स्ट सोल्यूशन. अब मैं ये जो स्टूडेंट हैं जो सोल्यूशन निकाल रहे हैं, और मैं यहाँ पे 8th क्लास की बात कर रहा हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द 8th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स. सो दे केम अप विद अ सोल्यूशन लाइक, look, it was not written anywhere that line से हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, डॉट से हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. It was not written anywhere. If you can see, it is not written anywhere that we cannot go beyond the dots. It is only written link all the dots using 4 straight line or 4 without lifting the pen and tracing without the same line more than twice. It is nowhere written कि लाइन से आगे नहीं जा सकते. तो जो प्रॉब्लम होती है उसका एक साइड नहीं होता है, उसके बहुत सारे साइड्स होते हैं. तो थिंक ऑफ दो साइड. दिस इज कॉल्ड आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग, राइट. सो दिस इज अ सोल्यूशन. अब क्या हुआ कि एक और स्टूडेंट ने बोला कि ओके, आई कैन जॉइन देम विथ 3 लाइन्स ओनली. मैंने कहा वाओ, that's a very good thing. You can join it from 3 lines. That's so amazing. Okay, तो करके दिखाओ. So what he came with the solution, look at this. So there were 9 dots. 1, 2, 3. Simple. Right? Simple. So सारी 9 dots को जोड़ा और but 3 ही lines यूज की. कहीं नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि हमें पैटर्न कौन सा बनाना है. Pattern is not defined. You can have any pattern into that. You define the pattern is not defined. Thinking out of the box. अब एक ने बोला स्टूडेंट ने okay, I can do it with 1 line only. Understand? Think I can do it with 1 line also. So look at the solution. This. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? सारे conditions पूरे हो रहे हैं. कहीं नहीं लिखा था कि बीच की 3 lines जो है वो छुप जाएं, हाइड हो जाए. इट इज नॉट रिटन एनीवेयर, बट एक लाइन से भी हो गया. सी व्हाट हैपेंस, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज, मैंने 8th क्लास का नाम क्यों लिया? व्हाई आई टुक द 8th क्लास स्टूडेंट? बिकॉज एज वी ग्रो अप वी टेंड टू फॉलो मोर एंड मोर प्रोसेसेस. ओके, आई हैव टू गो हियर, I have to follow the process, and we keep on decreasing our creative path. As a child or as a teenage, we are more into creative because we are not bound by processes. There was this research I was studying somewhere, that it was written that as we grow up the creativity decreases and the process following increases. जब हम अपने फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 अपने टीनेज में होते हैं तो हमारी क्रिएटिविटी इज मोर देन. अब उस क्रिएटिविटी को बढ़ाना तो है ही. हमें इतने कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट में है. वी हैव टू क्रिएट न्यू सोल्यूशंस, वी हैव टू क्रिएट न्यू आइडियाज, वी हैव टू क्रिएट न्यू थिंग्स फॉर द क्लाइंट एंड द कस्टमर्स. सो हमें क्रिएटिविटी तो बढ़ाना ही है, right? So what I'm trying to say is, don't follow that much of process. Be creative, think out of the box. I hope from this example you are understanding that what is actually creative thinking, what is thinking out of the box, right? Okay, moving on to the next slide. these are more myths which will make you clear that actually में creative thinking मतलब creative thinking के myths और होती क्या है, what is actually creative thinking. Every fiction क्या है, मतलब लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि every problem has only one solution or one right answer. That is not right. Read this. What is the solution to putting words on paper? क्या था solution? For example, in our past, they were trying to have a solution on writing on a paper, a device which can write on a paper. They came up with fountain pen, ball pen, pencil, marker, typewriter, printer, printing press, word processing. So keep on evolving. Keep on evolving. Curiosity. They were curious. They keep on evolving. So every problem has only one solution. ऐसा नहीं है. हम लोग बहुत बार सोचते हैं इसका solution तो आ चुका है, अब थोड़ी जरूरत है, इसको evolution की जरूरत ही नहीं है. But ऐसा नहीं होता. Every problem have different solution. It changes according to the needs. अगर needs नहीं है तो needs बना भी सकते हैं. किसको पता था कि हम लोग कभी लैपटॉप पे काम करेंगे, बट जब उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ लैपटॉप तो लोगों को लगा अच्छा ये तो मेरी नेसेसिटी बन गई, आई हैव टू कैरी समथिंग इन माई बैग एंड वर्क एनीवेयर. तो ये नीड क्रिएट हो गई और हमको उसकी वी गेट डिपेंडेंट ऑन इट, वी गेट हैबिचुअल टू इट, राइट. सेकेंड, द बेस्ट आंसर और सोल्यूशन और मेथड हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डिस्कवर्ड. लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि इसका सोल्यूशन निकल चुका है, ये पहले निकल चुका है, बट देयर इज नो अदर सोल्यूशन टू इट. दे कैन बी अ नो इनोवेटिव सोल्यूशन, बट ऐसा नहीं है. सी व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन टू ह्यूमन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन? पहले क्या सोल्यूशन था ह्यूमन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का? द ऑक्स और हॉर्स, द कार्ट, द वैगन, द ट्रेन, द कार, द एयरप्लेन, द जेट, द स्पेस शटल. Nowadays people are, for example, SpaceX, a company owned by Elon Musk, are thinking to go to Mars, right? They're gonna have a space shuttle go to Mars and have a habitation over there. So बहुत ज़्यादा evaluation हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें need पैदा हो रही है. People are curious कि what is there? Space shuttle. What is the best and the last? There is no best and the last. There's always evolution happening. So don't think that the best answer or solution or the method has already been discovered. Creative, next one. Creative answers are technologically complex. Everybody think that जो critical thinking होती है, for example creative answers होते हैं, they're very complex. But guys, it is a truth that it is not in every case. There are a lot of problems which are solved through creativity by simple riddles, by simple solution. Read this. Most problems you will encounter need only a thoughtful solution involving personal answer, perhaps a few simple tools. Using simple tools by every simplicity, the most simplicity you can solve that problem. Every creative answer is not technically complex. Next one is ideas either come or they don't. Nothing will help, certainly not structure. Lot of people they also think, I have met a lot of people, they also think that ideas आते हैं, नहीं तो नहीं आते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है. If you are going to include structure, create guidelines, limiting parameters and concrete goals for yourself that stimulate and shape your creativity. If you are going to have concrete goals, create guidelines and include structure, then you will be able to inculcate more creative thinking in your thoughts, in your thinking patterns, in your thought process, right? Okay, these are the fiction and facts. I hope you understand I hope you understand that what is actually creative thinking, right? So how to practically develop creative thinking? So a lot of people have come to me that sir ki creative thinking कैसे करना है? How to have that creative thinking? अब मैं सोचता तो हूँ I want to be a creative person, but how to actually create that zest in me to have that process in my thought कि कैसे creative बने? First in be curious. See there, I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious by Albert Einstein. So for example, you must have heard of Steve Jobs, who is the creator of Apple, right? अगर स्टीव जॉब्स को, इफ यू नो, स्टीव जॉब्स वॉज, उनको अपनी कंपनी से निकाल दिया गया था, बट ही केम बैक and made the #1 mobile selling company of the world. He was curious, he keep on innovating, he keep on customizing the product, he keep on completing the demands of the customer. उनको और innovation देना, उनको और luxury देना, मतलब customer को क्या चाहिए, he was able to understand by being curious. Never stop for being curious. That's the best possible solution for being creative. Next is fear. Fear is one of the most drastic thing that you will ever face in overcoming an obstacle. हम fear को perceive करते हैं. perceive करना मतलब कि नहीं, हम लोग perception बनाते हैं fear का. We develop a perception कि यहां जाएंगे तो हमें क्या होगा. If you are going to go there, what is going to happen? मेरे साथ कुछ बुरा तो नहीं हो जाएगा, या मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं हो जाएगा. सो वी परसीव, वी हैव अ परसेप्शन अबाउट फियर, बट डोंट. आई से इट्स ओके टू फेल. इट्स वेरी 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 मच ओके टू फेल. Michael Jordan, you must have heard the word. He is considered to be one of the best basketball players in the world. He said, I have actually lost 300 games. 9,000 shots miss किए हैं मैंने, but at last I am successful. अगर मैं उस फेलियर को अपने दिमाग में लेके बैठ जाता तो क्या मैं सक्सेसफुल हो पाता? बट नहीं, मैंने कंटिन्यू किया. फेलियर्स डिफाइन अस. फेलियर्स गिव अस one very important thing is what? Teaching. But one problem is there in everyone, that if you are not going to learn from your failure, that will be a problem. When people start learning from their failure, when they think, okay, this happens, this has happened this time, this problem happened this time, I'm not going to repeat it the other time, then you keep on improving. Then you are on the learning curve. Then you are on a learning curve in a very high pace. So, see this, it's necessary to become an amazing failure before becoming amazing. Don't feel bad. Don't feel embarrassed about being a failure. It's okay to be a failure. Let people say anything. They are not going to stay with you forever. Your friends who say, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, इससे क्या होगा, अरे इससे क्या होगा. Don't think like that. They're not going to earn you money. The person who is sitting beside you who will say, अरे मत उठो, वहाँ मत जाओ, स्टेज पे मत जाओ, ये काम मत करो, ये प्रोजेक्ट मत करो. That person is not going to stay with you forever. The most important person in your life is you. Is you. You have to understand this. You are going to do everything for yourself. Right? You are going to do everything for yourself. Remember that in your life. Be tenacious. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Be tenacious means अड़ जाना. Means I am going to do this work. I am going to finish this work. A person who does not give up. The person who does not give up. I don't know if you have heard the name Jack Andrak. Jack Andrak is a person who wanted to develop a diagnosis test to treat pancreatic cancer, but was rejected by 199 labs. 199 labs, can you imagine? 199, from 199 labs he was rejected, but at last on the 200th time he was accepted by Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore. And you know what he did over there? He created a test which is 100 time accurate and 26,000 times less cheaper than the previous one, and saved so many lives. अगर वो वहीं पे गिव अप कर देता तो क्या होता, वो जो डायग्नोसिस है कभी आ ही नहीं पाता, या बाद में कभी आता बट उस टाइम नहीं आ पाता. लॉट ऑफ लाइव्स वुड हैव नॉट बीन सेव्ड, बट ही वाज एडमेंट, आई गॉट टू डू इट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अप. सो व्हाट ही डिड, he was tenacious, he wanted to, he never wanted to give up, right? Discipline, I have discussed about discipline in my earlier slides also, because it is so much important to be disciplined, because हम लोग अपने सोशल मीडिया और अपने फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, ट्विटर, स्नैपचैट में इतना ज़्यादा घुस गए हैं कि वी आर नॉट गेटिंग टाइम फॉर आवर सेल्फ, एंड वी डोंट नो आवर सेल्फ राइट नाउ. जब तक हम लोग खुद को नहीं जानेंगे, विल नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सप्लोर आवर सेल्फ, आवर माइंड, आवर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस. So be disciplined. Discipline is just choosing between what you want now and what you want most. You have to have a priority in life. कि मुझे इससे ज़्यादा फायदा हो रहा है कि उससे. Obviously, what is going to, like social media, Facebook, they are not, they may be, you can use them very constructively, बस ज़्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं उनसे. Like share doesn't matter. What matters is that you are concentrating on yourself and having your positive outcomes, giving light to your positive outcomes, right? So as we say that creativity is the best possible technique you have to be successful, right? So be creative, be adventurous, and have a good luck. Okay, thank you guys, and thank you for listening to me again, and would be waiting for your comments below in the section of commenting, and would love to answer them. And you can have your creative ideas, you can post your creative ideas, what you have, and what you have been thinking from the last 5 to 10 years, and what in the future you have some ideas, you can post that, and we would love to read it. Thank you so much, and all the best. Adios.